Okay, so I've decided to pick some questions from exam papers that I feel like some students may struggle with or may have forgotten how to do. So we're doing a couple of videos on this, showing how to do particular questions from exam papers. This paper I'm doing is an AQA November 2018 higher non-calc paper. And this is the question I've picked out first. So it's asking you to work out 8.5 divided by 2 2/3 and give your answer as a mixed number. So boom, the first thing I'll do is convert both of these mixed numbers, so the 8.5 and the 2 2/3, into improper fractions. So to convert 8.5 into an improper fraction, you would multiply the denominator, so the 2, by the 8. So you'll do 2 times 8, which is 16, and then you would add 1. You'll add this 1 on top, which would be 17. So your improper fraction is 17 over 2 for the first one. And then for the second one, you do the same thing. So you'd write 2 2/3. You'll do 3 times 2, which is 6. And then you'll add 2 to the 6, basically. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So it'll be 8 over 3 as an improper fraction. Okay. And then you'll just solve the question. So you'll just do 17 over 2 divided by 8 over 3. And I'll use my KFC rule. So K means keep, F means flip, and C means change. So I'll keep 17 over 2 the same. I'll change my divider to the times, and I'll flip this fraction. So basically I'm swapping the 8 and the 3. So it'll be 3 over 8. And I'll just solve this. So I'll do 17 times 3, which is 51. And 8 times 2, which is 16. So this is the answer, but it's not as a mixed number. It's as a improper fraction. So we need to convert this into a mixed number. And how you'll do this is you can do long or short division, whichever one you fancy. You put 51 in here, you put 16 on the outside, and you think to yourself, how many 16s go into 51? And it's approximately 3, because 3 times 16 gives you 48 with a remainder of 3. Okay, so this is very important, because this 3 up here will be the big number in front of your answer, so the 3. And then this remainder 3 would be the numerator, and it'll be over the denominator, which is 16. So your answer is actually 3 over 16.